best friend, good morning. Happy birthday. May pinapush sa akin si Ate Kat na munting regalo galing sa mga tao nagmamahal sa iyo. And syempre, hindi nagsimula ang birthday mo kung wala mga babati sa iyo ng happy birthday. And nakolekta namin yung mga taong nagmamahal sa iyo. And maupo ka muna, may popcorn dyan sa kusina, be comfortable. Kasi yung unang babati sa'yo, tinalo ang probinsyano, sobrang haba na mensahe niya sa'yo. Dapat gagawa ko ng sarili niyang video Hindi ko na siya sasama rito sa video na to. Pero, he knows you for so many years and gano'n na siguro siya. Yaman mo na, kumpare mo naman yan. But, yeah, ito siya.
Share with your favorite thing about Kokoy.
Si Kokoy, isang mabait na tao yan, may isang salita. Kung ano sinabi niya, ginagawa. Yan ang magandang thing kay Kokoy. Number 1 yan. Napakabait na tao. Yun lang ang masasabi kong Kokoy.
Share why you love Kokoy.
Kokoy, mahal na mahal ko yan yung totoong tao. Kaya mahal na mahal ko yan. Yan ang kumbaga one of the person that I knew na totoong tao talaga yan. Hindi siya parang lata na napakaingay. Pero yan, totoong tao yan. May isang salita. Yan ang gusto ko kay Kokoy.
Share what you appreciate most about Kokoy.
Lahat ng ginagawa naman sa akin ni Kokoy, ina-appreciate yan. Small thing, big thing, ina-appreciate yan. Show up lang sa bahay yan talagang ina-appreciate yan dahil siya yung parang aking inspirasyon sa buhay. Parang siyang ina-admire ko sa buhay ng pagdadala ng buhay ng pamilya, mga bagay na kailangan mong tuturo niya sa'yo kung paano maging totoong tao. Yan. Hindi yung paligoy-ligoy, basta siya yung totoong tao na talagang ina-admire ko. Koy, sana hindi ka magbago. Alam ko naman, always ka nandyan sa 22 years na hindi ako nagpakita. Pero di ibig sabihin nun, nakalimutan ko ni John, si Robin. But like I said, nandito kayo sa puso ko. Di naman ako nagbabago sa inyo. Sana sa kaarawan mong ito, bigyan ka ng maraming blessing na kung ano yung mga kalmo sa buhay, mga pangarap sa buhay, may bigyan ni Papa Lord sa iyo. Happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka ng good health. Kung ano man yung hinahangad mo sa buhay, sana ibigay sa inyo, Lord. Happy birthday again. Salamat. Bigyan mo pagkakataon magsalita sa tungkol sa iyo. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday. Me and Trina, Binabati ka naming maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday and good luck. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kokoy. Thank you sa lahat.
Ano, pinsan dyan mo, yung si Christian, yung anak, andon.
Ito si
Ito
Christian.
yung laman nyo.
Say hello. Kami kay Steve.
Ito
Okay.
yung lugar nila. Lagi ditong naghahanda, mga artista. Dito nagpupunta, kaya pagdating nyo rito,
Oh,
dito
dito
tayo
tayo.
magsa-celebrate at saka doon sa akin.
Oh,
Ayan,
ito,
nakita mo yan, oh. Daig pang gobernador ng bahay.
Ayan. Ito yung kubo-kubo. Ito yung gazebo
Ayun ang
natin.
Ayun ang view. Tinan mo ang view dyan sa kunan. Ayan, oh.
Ayan ang Honolulu
Nakita,
kanya.
Honolulu. Pinakamataas tong kanya.
Ito ang
Ito
ganda.
ang pinakamaganda. Kaya lahat ng artista, Pilipinas, saka dito, nagpupunta rito. Dito nagsiselebrasyon.
Sweet notes na naman. Si Marcos pumunta rin, yung kaibigan
Ah,
natin.
si
Pwede mo kami,
Pisan.
ano dyan, pwede mo kami mag, ano, ang
Opo.
sweet notes.
Opo, opo.
Ayan.
Okay.
Manonood
Sige na.
tayo.
Okay, sing happy birthday.
Okay.
Kokoy, ah.
Ako ba happy birthday? We'll sing for you.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Coco. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pinsan.
Birthday, Koy!
Ito po. Oh, ito yung...
We
Ito
love
naman.
you.
Ito, this is the spirit. Spirit
Nakaset
po.
pa sa telepono mo eh.
Spirit of aloha po. Di ba?
Aha.
This one for you.
Happy birthday to you. What happened?
Ayan po. Happy birthday.
Alright.
Ito po, sandali po. Ayan.
Baka over, hindi ko
Okay po.
ma-upload.
Sige po, sige.
Hello, Kokoy. O ano, birthday mo, hindi ka man lang nag-invite. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, just want to greet you in behalf of the Angeles family. We want to to wish you a very happy, blessed birthday. Sana God will continue to bless you sa all aspect of your life. Sa health mo, sa finances, sa work, sa family, sa lahat-lahat. Because you deserve the best. Because you are the best, o, diba? And last wish ko sa birthday mo, sana ay malasing mo kami. Okay. Koy, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kokoy! We wish you all the best! Shot na!
Happy birthday, paring Kokoy. Mabuhay ka pa ng matagal. Keep healthy. Happy birthday uli.
Tol, happy birthday. Sensya na, ngayon lang ako nakagawa ng video. Kakauwi ko lang eh. But, anyway, paano ko bang umpisan to? So, I guess, let's talk about ano na lang. Kung paano tayo nagkakilala and how long we've been friends for. So, nag-meet kami ni Kokoy 2004. Na-meet ko siya dahil kaila Rusty and kay Paul. Sa totoo lang, ayaw pakilala ni Paul sa'yo at siya ni Rusty. Kasi baka upakan mo daw ako eh. Pero okay lang. Okay naman pinagkalabasan. Teka, kumatay ako pre. Teka lang. Yeah, but, anyways, ayun, so 2004, ano na ba ngayon? 2024, 20 years. 20 years na tayong magkakilala. 20 years mo na rin ang binubullshit eh. Pero, okay lang. Sali na kami sa'yo eh. Ganyan ka eh. Hindi kita sinisiraan. Alam ko ng birthday mo yun eh. Ba't kita sisiraan? Ano ba ba? Pero gusto ko lang talagang ibunyag yung sikreto mo. Tikati, huwag ka magagalit ha. May sikreto to si Kokoy. Sasabihin ko na, okay lang yun tol. Birthday mo naman ngayon eh. Ang sikreto nito ni Kokoy kasi, may hilig yan sa babaeng matataba. Kasi one time, magkasama kami yan, naglaro sila ng siso, hindi siya makababa. Hindi, joke lang. Pero ang dami namin pinagdaanan ni Kokoy, you know. Naawa nga ako sa kanya kasi minsan, hindi niya ako marinig. Inside joke na lang namin yun. Alam niya na yun kung bakit. Pero as Kokoy as a friend, he's a good friend. You know, I love that guy. Nagiging heart to heart na. Pero yeah, pag kailangan ko siya or kailangan niya ako, we'll be there for each other. And sana wag mong kalimutan na uminom araw-araw kasi gawain mo naman talaga yun eh. Hindi, joke lang. Ano ba? Pero, you know, take care of yourself because we're getting old. Hindi na tayo katulad lagi ng bata pa tayo. And which yung ginagawa natin na, you know, araw-araw, inom tayo ng inom, but wala, ganun talaga eh. You know, pero dahan-dahan tayo pag ano na lang. Konting dahan-dahan naman. You know, so that we can still enjoy each other. Alam mo yan. Because I still want to see you. Ano ba? Paano ka na ba? Hindi, pero yun nga. Timo, alam mo yan. All I can say is, Tol, happy birthday and I love you and take care always. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya! More birthdays to come.
First of all, let me start with saying I'm glad I get to be a little part of your birthday, man. Turning 40, that's great. I'm just wishing you a happy birthday, man. Wish I can be there with you, but they're in spirit, and you're in my thoughts and my prayers. You and your family.
Hi, happy birthday to you. More birthday to come. Long life, good health, and God bless you. Later.
Happy birthday, Kokoy!
Stay healthy.
And stay happy!
Ow! Love you, bro.
Happy birthday, Koy! Happy birthday, Koy. Wishing you more birthdays and more blessings and good health. Love you, pre. Happy birthday ulit.
What's up, Koy? I just want to wish you a happy birthday. More blessings and good health. And I appreciate our friendship from decades ago. Keep safe always. God bless.
Yon, Koy, happy birthday sa'yo. Pabata na tayo ng pabata. Wishing you, brother, na kaligayahan sa buhay, good health, and happy family. Hopefully na magkita-kita tayo soon. Happy birthday. I love you, bro.
Happy birthday, Kokoy! Wish you all the best!
Pre, happy birthday! Oh, kailan naman? Nah, I'm just kidding. Well, just wishing you good health and more blessings to come. You know, kita tayo.
Happy birthday, Kuya! We love you!
Happy birthday, Kokoy! Thank you for always inviting me sa mga parties mo. Medyo na late yung video ko. Anyway, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good of health and many more birthdays to come.
Good morning! Yeah, Kuya Koy, musta na? I just wanted to greet you happy birthday, more blessing and more to come. Birthday mo daw, Koy! Happy birthday! Tagay mo na lang kami, ha? Sana naman you guys visit us in California soon. Na-miss ko na kayo. Ingat kayo parate and have a wonderful birthday, friend. Bye!
Happy birthday, Pops. I miss you and I love you and I hope I can see you again. Also, since I said that, can you also buy me a plane ticket, please, for next year? Thank you. Happy birthday.
Tony Carr, pare, Kokoy, aka Superman, pare, happy birthday. May God bless you, and I pray that God blesses you more with all the good things in life, most especially your health, your happiness, your success. May you also achieve all the things in life that you are set out to do. Pare Koy, you are truly a great friend, great man. You're a great father to your family. That's why you hold a very special part in my life. Thank you for being a good friend to me. Thank you for being a significant part of my life. Again, brother, have a blast. 40 years old, brother. I love you. And long live the king. Peace out, baby.
Happy birthday, Kuya Tony. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. We love you.
Hello, Tito Tony. Happy birthday. Have a great birthday. We
love you.
Cookie! Happy birthday, pare. Sayang wala ako dyan. Maglalasing sana tayo. Miss na kitang ngainuman, pare. Anyway, I miss you, pare. Ingat lagi at more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, old man. Just want to say happy 48th birthday. I wish you a good health and happiness. Hope you had a good time with your family and friends. Get together and enjoy. I wish I could be there, bro. But I just want to say happy birthday one more time and cheers to you. See, I have a Corona. Let's drink. Cheers. Peace out. Have a good night, man. Bye.
Paring Kokoy, happy birthday and God bless.
Hey, Tony Carl. Happy birthday. I wish you many, many more. I'm so proud of you. You're such a good person, a good man, good husband and father. And I'm so lucky to have you as one of my nephew, and I'm proud of it. Again, happy birthday. I wish you good health and, of course, lots of love. And enjoy your day. God bless you. Happy birthday again. Love you very much.
Chat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Coco. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your birthday with your beautiful family. See you next time. Happy birthday again, brother. Bye-bye.
Ayun. Happy birthday, pre. More birthdays to come. Mabuhay ka hanggat sa gusto mo. And I wish you success in your life. Stay healthy. And enjoy your day, pare.
Koy, enjoy your day to the fullest. Happy birthday.
Okay, good morning. Happy 40th birthday to you. Mag-birthday ka hanggang gusto mo. Enjoy lang. With your family. Si Kuya Aman to. Happy birthday na lang ulit. 40th birthday mo. Sige. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Kokoy. Enjoy your birthday and life begins at 40.
Happy birthday, Tony Carl. Welcome to the Over 40 Club.
Hi! Happy birthday, Kokoy. Simple lang yung wish ko para sa'yo. More blessings, of course, tsaka great health. Kasi importante yan para mas marami ka pang time with your family. I know your family means a lot to you. So again, happy birthday! Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Koy. I'll see you in 10 minutes.
Happy 40th birthday, brother. Yeah, we've been friends for 18 years, so let's take a shot as we celebrate your 40th birthday, and I look forward to being friends with you for 18 more years or so. Alright, enjoy your day, bro.
Partner! Happy birthday, partner! Welcome to the 40 Mile High Club. It's your 40th birthday. Hindi ko lang talaga maintindihan ba't iniwan mo ako, partner Magkasama tayo Pero it's your day. Happy birthday, partner.
Best friend. Wow, 40. 40. Damn, ganda mo na pre. 40 years old. God damn. Anyways, pare, happy birthday. And I know we've been friends for 22 years, pare. Just wish you a very successful and very healthy life. Okay? Nagawa mo na lahat, pare. So, it's time for you to enjoy, pare. Okay? Pare, see you soon. Okay? Happy birthday. See you soon, pare. Ando ka lang pala. Anyway, happy birthday, pare.
Thank you.
Ready na?
Ready na ba?
Yan na.
Pare, happy birthday. Ewan ko kung anong ginagawa sa akin ni Robin bigla. Binigla ako, pre. Alam mo naman, di ako mahilig sa speech But, I just want to wish you a happy birthday and mahal na mahal kita. And gusto ko lang na malaman mo na nandito ako lagi para sa'yo. And alam mo naman, bata pa tayo, mga natin, yung mga pinag-usapan natin, hindi ko nakakalimutan lahat yun, So I'm always gonna be your big brother, bro. Kahit na sinasabi mo ikaw ang big brother ko, but you know how it is. It's the other way around, bro. I love you so much. Happy birthday, mahal na mahal kita, and I wish everything will work out for you. So in life, in everything. Love you, bro. Peace.
1, 2, 3.
Happy
birthday, son.
Happy 40th birthday.
And being the 40th birthday, that means you're now officially old. Over the hill, past your prime. Pretty soon, your stuff ain't gonna work anymore. And your good looks are just gonna slide. And you're fucked, dude.
No,
but be happy.
We want to let you know that you are very special. We always talk about you, how you're being generous to us. You always take care of us. We love you so much, son. You don't know how much we're proud of you.
That's true, but you're always trying to piss me off. But, yeah, he does.
I didn't know that, but me too.
I'll show you the text.
He pissed me off.
He likes to get everybody wound up. See if he can get
But anyway, we're greeting.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay,
yeah,
that's right.
okay. So anyway, happy birthday. I love you so much,
We do love you, regardless of anything. We love you so much.
And we are blessed. We
Yeah.
are blessed. You gave us a good grandkids. You got good family that you gave us. We're thankful for that. We are blessed. We thank God that we have you. We love you so much.
You left your mark. We know you were here. And that's very important.
Love you, son.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Love you.
Hi pa.
I want to say happy birthday and more blessings to come. Stay healthy, stay strong, and always be happy. I love you.
Happy birthday, Pa. I may not be with you on your special day or next to you and say happy birthday, but here I am, starting my life up just for you. That's all you ask for me. That's what I'm doing for you. And there's some days where it's harder than others, but just remembering, like, everything that you've done and Mama's done for me, it pushes me to be stronger and finish this. It's not hard, it's just that I missed you guys so much. But it's easy now, because I know what I'm doing this for, and I'm doing it for you guys also. I can't wait to see you next month, Pa. And I will do this. It's not hard at all. But I will do this, Pa. I love you, Pa. I'll see you next month.
Happy birthday, you made it to a whole new year. Happy birthday, happy birthday, blessings to come.